Hello everybody. As you can see, I'm holding a Milwaukee M18 Fuel. This is a Gen 3 impact driver, and the battery is on 1 bar, and I have a 22 millimeter spade bit, and I'll be showing you how we cut trees in 2025. Okay. I want to cut down this tree. As you can see, it hasn't been pre-cut or anything. Some people might say on the comment section that it's a scam. Let me move the camera back a bit. Okay, let me start. It's on speed 3. And then our second hole. And then I'm sure we can push it down. And then you are done. And then I'm sure we can push it down. Very good. I think this is getting support from this one, but as you can see, it's already broken. And the tree fall.